Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of properties of matter and non-destructive testing. In this unit we are going to discuss the fluid frictions. The content of this topic, that is fluid friction, pressure depth relation, Pascal's law and Archimedes principle. Then we have to discuss on viscosity, velocity gradient, Newton's law of viscosity, and also discuss on free fall spherical body through the viscous medium and Stokes law, derivations of coefficient of viscosity by Stokes method, effect of temperature and adulteration on viscosity of liquid. So we are going to be discussed one by one. First of all, we are going to be discuss that is fluid. The fluid is nothing but the fluid is a substance that continuously deform under an applied shear stress or external force. Fluids are a phase of matters and include liquids, gases, and plasmas. Pressures, force acting per unit area of the surface is called pressures, and it's a scalar quantity. The pressure is nothing but the force upon area. The unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or pascals. Then pressure depth relation, you can see the pictures over here. So pictures can show at here now. The expression of measure of pressure at any depth below the surface of liquid is given by P. P is the pressure is equal to H into rho into G. P is the pressure, H is the depth below the surface of liquid, and rho is the density of liquid, and G is the acceleration due to gravity. So picture can show that here now, when this is liquid jar, we can take a hole at upper side. The pressure can very low acted on that point. When we are going to be next point and taking the hole at this point, so the whole entire liquid can act a pressure in this point, so the pressure can be increases. So also we can go deeper side and taking the one hole at the last point, so the entire liquid can act the pressure on this point. So the force of this liquid is more as compared to this both. Clear? So the pressure of liquid is more as the depth side. Clear? So depth is more, the pressure is also more in the liquid. So atmospheric pressure, this is the word says the atmosphere can act the pressure, that is atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere at a place is known as atmospheric pressure. The unit of atmospheric pressure is also Newton per meter square. Atmospheric pressure is measured in the terms of centimeter of Hertz. 1 atmospheric meter is equal to 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square, like this. Then Pascal's law. What is the Pascal's law? Whenever a pressure is applied from the outside on an enclosed liquid at rest, the pressure increases at every point in the liquid by an amount equal to the external applied pressure. Hence, it is the pressure transmitted throughout the liquid same. So when we apply the pressure in this side, force on this side in this liquid, so this force can transmitted throughout the liquid is equally. So this is the Pascal's law. So application of this Pascal's law, that is hydraulic press. You can see the picture at here now. This is the hydraulic press. When we are applying the force on this piston, this liquid can act as the press. So this force can equally distributed in this area, and this work as a hydraulic press. Second, that is hydraulic brake. We are also using this system in the cars and four-wheeler vehicles, also in two-wheeler bikes also. So hydraulic brakes, the mostly used in this. So next one, that is hydraulic lift. When we're going to washing our cars or anywhere places, you have to see in the hydraulic lift. So Pascal's law can use in such a various things. So I hope all of you understand the content.